How to fix Epic Games Launcher Wizard ended prematurely. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily fix if your Epic Games Launcher setup wizard has ended prematurely. So if you are trying to install Epic Games and you've downloaded the launcher, so let's just head over to Epic Games download on our browser. From here, if you are downloading the file, and then you've ran the file. So in that case, what happens is sometimes because of your connection problems, it will end prematurely. So in that case, you're going to have to download this file again from here. And once the installation file is done, you're going to have to go to your this PC, and then from here, you're going to go to C drive. And on your C drive, go to Program Files. From here, you're going to find Epic Games if you have that folder. Right click on it and then delete that folder from here. You're going to do the same for this other program file 32-bit value as well. Find Epic Games here, right click on it, and then simply go ahead and delete it. After doing so, you're going to have to open up and run your Epic Game installer once again. So go ahead and click on Epic Game Installer. It will start the wizard again, and your setup should be completed now. So click on install, and now your setup will run and your Epic Games will be installed on your PC. That is it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.